Facial is one of the major and essential skincare routines that makes your skin glowing and rejuvenated again. Many girls love to do this routine. Some do it regularly and some just once in the 6 months. After a certain age, everyone must do this routine at certain specific time intervals to maintain the health of your skin. Let's discuss why. Facial is a multi-step skin rejuvenating process which includes cleansing, exfoliation, extraction, massage and mask. It deeply cleanses and exfoliates the skin and helps to get rid of skin issues like dead skin cells, dullness, blackheads and whiteheads. Therefore, it makes your skin glowing and rejuvenated again. But, make sure to do it once in a month and with proper hygiene. Do this routine at a certain time. Regular facials can be harmful to your skin. It can make your skin dull, dehydrated and rough. Moving on to no facial benefits. The very first benefit of it is that it helps in deep cleansing of the skin. You will get a new skin after a facial that is free from dead skin cells, clogged pores, whiteheads and blackheads. 2. Facial massage and face mask help to lift the face and muscles. This all aids in improving the aging signs like fine lines and wrinkles. 3. Massage with essential oils relaxes all the muscles of the face. This reduces stress and tension and makes your skin feel refreshed and relaxed. It will also help to lift and cheer up your mood, and you can do all your work in a cheerful and positive mindset. 4. There is a daytime facial that makes skin tone even and brighter. 5. Facial massage helps to improve your blood circulation and the face mask will nourish your skin. Apart from that, exfoliation helps to remove all dirt, dead skin from your face. This all makes your skin rejuvenated again. 6. It also helps to hydrate the skin. The oils, creams and masks used in facial steps can solve the problem of dryness. 7. It improves skin elasticity. This makes your skin tighten and prevents skin from aging symptoms like wrinkles or fine lines. These are the few benefits of facial. Let's explore more things about facial. How many types of facials are there? The types of these are just countless. It can be classic, gold or can also be done with microcurrent or acupuncture. Let's read about some basic and some extraordinary types of facial. 1. Classic facial. Basic facial for skin, also known as European facial. This type includes all basic steps which you need to pamper your skin at home. 2. Daytime facial. A facial to brighten the skin. It helps to reduce the unevenness of skin by fading dark spots and improving your complexion. 3. Oxygen facial. Best for getting a glowing skin. It involves an instrument that dispenses oxygen into your skin, suitable for all types of skin and makes your skin refreshed and rejuvenated. 4. Anti-aging facial. It eradicates aging symptoms like fine lines and wrinkles. It can involve techniques like microcurrent therapy, acupuncture or chemical peels. It makes your skin young, bright and radiant. 5. Aromatherapy facial. In this, essential oils are used to relax the face muscles, improve the blood circulation and refresh the skin. So, these are some of the trending facials loved by the people. Wanted to know about essential facial steps? Let's discuss them. Every facial starts with a consultation, in which an esthetician examines your skin type and associated concerns to recommend a specific facial for your skin. However, a basic one you can do anytime, even at your home by following some steps. 1. Cleansing. The very first step in it is to cleanse your face. You can use a gentle cleansing lotion to clean your skin. It will wipe away all your dirt, grime and excess oil. Your skin will become ready for it. 2. Steam. The second step in this is to give steam to your face. This will help to relax your muscles and also soften up the whiteheads and blackheads. 3. Exfoliation. Now, it is time to remove dead skin cells from your face. For this, you can use a good scrub. Else, you can use a clean brush, towel or chemical peels to remove dead skin cells. 4. Extraction. This is to remove clogged pores, blackheads and whiteheads. In this, pressure is applied to the specific area and metal instrument is used to extract these issues. Make sure to take steam before, because that will make this step easier. 5. Massage. This massage is given to relax your face muscles, lift them and improve the blood circulation. In massage, various kinds of strokes are applied to the face with a circular motion in a particular direction with the help of fingers. This step just gives you relaxation and relieves all your stress. 6. Face masks. It is one of the important steps. This involves an application of a mask over the face to nourish and condition the skin. Now, in the last, apply an ultra-hydrating moisturizer to maintain the skin hydration. Remember, don't use any chemical on your skin 3 days before the facial. So, this is all about facial. I hope you like this video. Please like and share this video. Experience healthy skin and hair.